Hello everyone, hope so all of you are fine and welcome to my channel. In the previous lecture we were discussing about chemical nature of enzymes and we will continue the same topic in this lecture. I have told you that non-protein part of enzyme is called prosthetic group or it is also called as coenzyme. And the protein part is called as apoenzyme. Now we will discuss another term that is called as holoenzyme. The protein part and the non-protein part is collectively called as holoenzyme, means prosthetic part and apoenzyme are collectively called as holoenzyme. Certain enzymes with only one polypeptide chain in their structures are called as monomeric enzyme. Another term is monomeric enzyme. What are monomeric enzyme? Certain enzymes with only one polypeptide chain in their structure. They have one polypeptide chain in their structure. For example, ribonuclease. Ribonucleases and several other possesses more than one polypeptide chain and are also called as oligomer enzymes. Also called as oligomer enzymes. And the example of oligomer enzymes is lactate dehydrogenase. Lactate dehydrogenase. Polypeptide. What is polypeptide? Polypeptide is a condensation of amino acids that forms a protein molecule or a molecule consisting of 3 or more amino acids linked together by peptide bond. This is called as polypeptide. Now we will discuss about coenzyme. What is coenzyme? As I have already told you, non-protein part is also called as coenzyme and prosthetic group. Certain enzymes require a specific thermostable low molecular weight non-protein organic substances called as coenzymes. A coenzyme may bind covalently or non-covalently to apoenzyme. The term prosthetic group denotes a covalently bonded enzyme. That was all about our today's lecture.